is Abbas Tisekar. I am a Bachelor of Engineering graduate in Computer branch in 2025 pass out student, and also I have done diploma in Computer Engineering itself. I have joined QSpiders in September 2024, that is 2024, for my upskilling of my skills in Python full stack development and data analysis. So since September, I have been taught SQL, Python libraries, web tech subjects, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js. Also, here they provide grooming for each and every company that arrives for us, and the grooming is conducted in the specific pattern of the company. The trainers here are very well experienced in their respective subjects and field. They teach us everything from scratch to advanced, everything that is required for getting placed in a company. Again, whenever we have any of the doubts, the trainers clear each and every doubts, and no matter how many times we ask, they clear it that number of times. If I say for every subject, total 3 mocks are conducted, 2 during subject which are conducted by mentors, and 1 final mock conducted by trainer itself. Along with mocks, presentation is taken here, and practical implementation of Python, SQL, and other subject is also taken. And also the projects, throughout the course we are asked to do multiple projects, minor projects and major projects, and the projects are asked to present in the front of the panel. So overall experience of my in QSpiders is very good. I have gained myself a lot of skills over